Good evening, everyone. Just wanted to give you a few announcements of events that are taking place in the next week. The first thing is that our Zoom Bible study will not be tomorrow because it is during the summer, and we will start having classes again, at least Wednesday night gatherings pretty soon. More details on that in a little bit. But because of Wednesday night gatherings, we're going to be doing Bible study every other Thursday throughout the summer. So it's not tomorrow, June the 4th. It'll be June the 11th of next week at 2 o'clock. The 2 o'clock time is tentative because I know that some of you have jobs and are working and are busy throughout the day. So that may be pushed back a little bit later, and maybe by the end of June, later in the summer, we can do Bible studies in person. So hopefully you will be able to join us throughout the summer in those Bible studies every other Thursday starting on June the 11th. The next thing is, like I said, that Wednesday night we do plan to resume meeting on June the 10th. Now that's going to look a little bit different than it has in the past. We will not be in the classrooms in the youth center. All the teenagers will be in the gymnasium. We'll have to stay spread out a little bit. We won't be able to play basketball on 9 Square and things like that, unfortunately, at this time. But at least we'll be able to be together. And the remaining Wednesdays in the summer, we're going to be looking at different topics that you have expressed interest in the survey that we did. Now it's been over a month ago that I sent out via SurveyMonkey. And you selected these topics. And a few topics just off the top of my head are topics on angels in the book of Revelation, and different topics of how do you balance your sports, your school, and your faith, and your friends and your family. How do you balance all of that? Different topics like how do you have strong biblical friendships, or different things like that. All topics that you selected, we will look at those throughout the rest of the Wednesdays during the summer. But our first Wednesday on June the 10th will be a singing night, because the first Wednesday that was canceled back in March was going to be a singing night. And we are going to just come here on the 10th at 7 o'clock in the gym, and we're going to sing our hearts out for 45 minutes or so, and it should be a great time. I hope that you can make it next week, June the 10th. One more announcement. If you got a summer calendar a couple of weeks ago when we did our drive-through ice cream party, you would have seen that this Friday, June the 5th, was our first career day, career night, as it is. If you didn't get one of those calendars, I will send out one via Remind to you shortly that just has tentative plans for the rest of the summer. But Friday, June the 5th at 7 o'clock, our first career night, is just going to be demonstrating and illustrating how to make one of life's simple pleasures, the chocolate chip cookie. Now, if you have never made a chocolate chip cookie, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, because I think, honestly, this is one of the things you must know before you graduate from high school. Everyone should know how to make a chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to send out a list of ingredients. If you want to follow along at 7 o'clock on Friday night, you're going to need this, and I'll send this out to you as well. They're cheap to make, and they're healthy, but they're really, really good. So you just need 1 stick of butter, half a cup brown sugar, white sugar, an egg, a little bit of vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, a little bit of salt, about 1.5 cups of flour, and then 1 cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you would like. Or you could do an 8-ounce chocolate bar, which is what I prefer and what I'll be demonstrating with, which is fun to do. So 7 o'clock on Friday, June the 5th, it'll be a step-by-step tutorial. You could do it alongside us, and we can all learn how to make chocolate chip cookies if that's something that interests you. Later on in the summer, we'll do different things like how to change a flat tire, how to sew a button on a shirt, as well as how to grill a burger and hot dog, if that interests you. Just different career things that you may want to know Who knows, maybe this becomes a hobby for you. Well, that's all the announcements that I have. I pray that you'll be able to join us next Wednesday, a week from today, the 10th, in our gym for our singing night. If you do have a song request, please go ahead and send those in. 4 songs for sure that are on there, because in the survey I asked what your favorite song was, and there was 4 different songs. Oceans was chosen by 2/3 of you, so that's going to be in there. Magnificat, The New Sanctuary, and then a song that we're going to be teaching this summer, learning this summer, is the song Called Me Higher. So those 4 songs for sure are going to be in on the 10th, but if you have a song that you would like to sing, just let us know, and we'll get that in there for the 10th. Hope everyone takes care, has a great week, and we'll see you on the 10th.